Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 23, unit number 5, 10th class, subprograms and file handling. Students, we are studying about subprograms and file handling in our unit number 5. We had studied subprogram about in which we had studied about built-in functions, in which we studied string functions and numeric functions. Today we are going to study user-defined function. Built-in functions are that are already predefined. You can just call them and use according to your need. What are user-defined functions? A user-defined function is completely defined and customized by the programmer to solve some problem. Functions that we write are called user-defined functions. User-defined functions returns a single value and are generally used to perform an operation that will be needed numerous of times in a program. In basic, user-defined functions are referred to as procedures similar to sub-procedures, except functions procedure return the one value. The user can define the function with def, def, fn statement. These functions are defined only for the life of a given program and are not part of the basic language. A single line function can be defined by def function statement that is executing same code more than once in the different place of program. Defining a function by user itself, it means to say user defined functions are just bounded to the that program in which they are called or made. Syntax: line number, def function name, argument, expression, where name must be a valid variable name. This name preceded by fn or becomes the name of function. Next is arguments. Consist of those variables names in the function definition that is to be replaced. When the function is called, the item in the list are separated by commas. Expression is an expression that performs the operation of the function. It is limited to single statement. The variable is in the argument represent on a one-to-one basis. The argument variable or value that are to be given in the function call in the function name. User-defined functions may be numeric or string. If a type is specified in the function name, the value of expression is forced to that type before it is returned to the calling statement. If a type specified is function name and the argument type does not match, a type mismatch error occurs. A user-defined function may be defined more than once in a program by repeating the def function statement. A def function statement must be executed before the function is it defined may be called. If a function is called before it has been defined, an undefined user function error occurs. It is written that you have to define the function first before calling it. If you call it first and define it later, it will show you a undefined user function error occurs. Def function is illegal in the direct mode. Recursive functions are not supported in def function statement. Def function can define either numeric or string function. Def function returns a string if name is string variable name and a numeric value if name is a numeric variable name. We had studied two modes, direct mode and indirect mode. You cannot use define function in direct mode. You have to use it in indirect mode. Examples: rem, remark. Def function x into y is equal to parenthesis y power 3 plus y power 2 parenthesis divided by y. Input: enter in two numbers, pass the string comma a comma b. C is equal to def fn x into a plus def fn x of b. Now remember one thing, that when we enter the value of a, y will be replaced by a, and when we enter value for b, y will be replaced by b. Here run enter and 12 we had enter 4 and 5 first. This whole program will be used as 4 for y, and after that it will use 5 for for y. Then we got the answer. If we solve this question by according to statement, 4 to power 3 plus 4 power 2, this will be 64 and this will be 16. 16 plus 64 and then divided by 4 will be 20. Then if we solve it by 5, y to power 3, 125 plus 25 divided by 5, 150 divided by 5 is equal to 30. Then 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Next example, 10 CLS clear screen, 20 pi is equal to 3.1415. 30 define function r of x is equal to pi multiply x power 2. Input radius is equal to rad. Print circle area is function of r of rad. R rad value will be replaced by x. Radius to the area is 12.55667. So this is the how we can define a user defined function and use it. Your assignment is to perform these calculations and then get the answer right. Then try to perform by yourself of such kind of functions that are user defined. Regarding to today's lecture, if you have any question or problem or any issue, you can ask me in the group. I will guide you in the group. I will catch you in next lecture, but you have to do your best to perform these actions and programming. Till next lecture, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.